Good morning, October 27th. We were actually supposed to be done with the trailer today and maybe leaving. Maybe a couple more days. The countertop's there. I'm getting ready to cut in the stove and the sink because I'm about ready inside to mount the top. Been working on several other things. I'll cut some videos of the other ones, but so the whole countertop just goes in there and sits. The stove will get cut from the front to the back, and the sink will get cut about right there. We've got a new faucet and a faucet for filtered water. Time's getting short, gotta go. October 27th. Got most of my gas piping done. There's the propane tank. It's gonna be in its own sealed compartment here. If you come around here and look over here, there's my vent. It's cut all the way through the floor. And that's for the reason propane's heavier than air. So if you ever had a leak, it would actually leak out the lowest point. So that's why you do that. It has a regulator under there. Goes down underneath, comes back up over here. It feeds on two copper tubes. One's going to go right in the side of the water heater there, and the other one comes over here and goes in the stove. Time's getting short again, gotta go. See you later. 27th October, a lot of behind the scenes stuff today. Did get the refrigerator up in its spot up there. Finished sanding some of the cabinets. Had to change some of the PEX stuff around for the gas piping, so I got it all redone and tested. No leaks, so that's good. And the step. So now we got a step in to get up inside with the handrail, so it's kind of easy to grab a hold of the handrail, step on the step, and jump up in. Time to getting short. Gotta go. See you later. Thanks. Bye. Hello, 27th October. Supposed to be gone. It's almost done. Got help today. There's the cabinet top done, shower wall done, get ready to put on the valve, door front's all finished. Had to raise the ice box so the door open and not hit the countertop. Getting ready to mount the sink, gas pipe's all done, except for hooking up the stove sitting up on top of there. And oh, the sink's all done too. Okay, time's getting short, gotta go. Bye. 27th October. There's the sink. It's got one of the pull-out handles. The little one is for our freshwater system off the filter down there. It's supposed to get anything and everything out so you won't die when you drink water from, I guess, a muddy pond. There's an ice box up there, inverter, all that. Got the shower all done. Got the valve mounted. Still need to put the handle on it, I guess. Shower head up there. Drain pan, it's underneath. Getting ready to make a parts run real quick, get a couple more things, so spend the night, work all night. Time's getting short, gotta go, bye.